Hi everyone, and welcome back to my dream boat project. And today I'm working on drafting the bulkheads. I've done quite a few of them already, and we're going to be working on bulkhead number 4. So you can see the process. I'm not going to show you all of them because they're all done the same way. So here we go with bulkhead number 4. Now, probably one of the most difficult things that I do while doing this is to keep looking back and forth from the plans to the paper to get the measurement. And sometimes I get the wrong measurements going back and forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to frame number 4, which is this one right here I'm working on. And I'm going to make a small makeshift frame right over here. Kind of like a drawing of one, with all my measurements right on it. So I know I can just look at that to see how they're going to go. Now, the measurements, what I've done is, I'll see if I can get up here close enough so maybe you can see it. Let's see. What I've done with the measurements, like with frame number 4 that I'm going to be doing here. This is hard to do this, and where's frame number 4? Right here. I have the actual measurements that came with the plans, and these are the measurements that I'm going to be using that I've enlarged 15%. So it's kind of hard to go from one to the other. Sometimes, yesterday I did some of the wrong measurements and had to go back and redo them. So I'm drawing basically the same picture here. I have this all in inches, and as they say with the measurements, check, double check, then cut. So I got to double check, make sure I got all the right ones. Frame number 4, let's see. This table isn't straight on the edge, it's a little off. So one thing I want to do to make sure that the paper is even is I'm going to fold it in half and draw a line down the center. Now it's just a matter of getting all those measurements. now I get the entire outline of the bulkhead done, and I have some measurements to do here around the bottom here, right in the middle. And there we have it. Frame number 4, excuse me. So you don't get confused. Frame number 4. Now all I have to do is get some of the stuff off of it. And one more time, number 4. And we have one more that's finished. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I made this huge table just for doing my bulkheads, just for drawing the plans. This is basically made with a bunch of scraps that I had on a base that I used for another boat. But this is 6 feet tall by, oh, what is this, 12 feet long. So 6 by 12, you can see there's not much room to move around the garage. Works a lot easier if you have a table to work on. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.